Hey friends, how y'all doing? It's Kimberly Martin here, back with another reading video, and I just want to share I got my first hardback book to review in the mail, and I'm so excited. Let's see what it is. It is Lulu, the Unstoppable Dancing Dog. Is this not cute? I'm so excited. This is my first book review that I've gotten in the mail, so I'm really excited for this. Let's see what else they sent. On top of the beautiful envelope, there's a cute little Lulu. You can see that. Card that tells about Lulu. Another sticker. Oh, these are so cute. So cute. And a little pin. A little pin. Let's see if I can hold it up right. So that is adorable. I'm really excited. I was hoping my grandson would be here so I could share it with him. But Lulu, the Unstoppable Dancing Dog. Precious. Precious, precious, precious. And I'll read it. I'll probably do a video while I'm reading it and let you know how it goes. Thanks for stopping by.